Hi, this is Accutek, co-audio visual in Winchester. This is a Toyota Prius that we've done an audio media upgrade in. If I jump in, we've got a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS in this car. This unit's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and DAB camera input, etc. As you can see here, we've got Apple CarPlay on view now, and you can use it as you would do normally in any other CarPlay device. You can move these around, it's all done via the phone settings. This has also been wired up to the steering wheel controls, so you can adjust the volume up and down and forward and backtrack and answer the telephone and mute it. In fact, it has got a camera input. This car hasn't got a camera in at the moment, but I think they are going to get a camera. We've put the DAB antenna in the window. If you like to have this 8021 DABS installed into your Toyota Prius, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.